My brother's second wife beat him and I'm very happy about it. My elder brother is always someone that will show his power on a woman. He married my friend previously. He was dating her and I kept warning him that please don't come and be doing what you are doing to us to my friend, because any little thing in the house, my elder brother can just raise his hand and tear you hot slap because you said something wrong. And I told him not to extend that to my friend because we've been close since university. My friend too saw this about his character, what he was doing to his siblings, but he never extended it to her when they were dating, so she went ahead to marry him. When they married him, any small thing he would start raising his hand on her and she got fed. Marriage of less than 1 year, my friend packed out of the house. I was so devastated. I was so angry. In fact, the whole family was against my elder brother because they knew my friend. In fact, she's like a family member in that house. Everybody knows her and they were very, very upset. So after 2 years of him separating with my friend, he brought in another woman that he wanted to get married to. The lady is from Akwa Ibom. When she came to the house for introduction, I was like, okay, no problem. So far, he's no longer my friend. Now you can't sabi. When he wanted to marry her, all of us had to travel all the way to Akwa Ibom from Lagos because she didn't have any family members. Her father was in the village in Akwa Ibom. When we got down there, anyway, the lady does not come from a rich home. Her family are farmers. She recently came to Lagos to come and look for another work when she met my brother. She went to school. She went to a polytechnic, but before she went to school, she was a farmer. Even after going to school, she went back home to continue farming with her family. So the family was quite nice. They welcomed us well. They gave us a lot of gifts while we were coming back, and everything was successful. So recently, my elder brother wanted to try his macho man action on her again, but reverse was the case. So according to her, she said the first time they had a heated argument, my brother raised his hand to slap her, and then she just ignored it and told him never to do that again, else it will be the end of their marriage. She threatened him and all of that. He always apologized because he's good at doing that, but he never changes. So the second time he tried to do it, my sister Pane beat him. She beat him to the point that my brother spent 2 days in the hospital. And when he called us to tell us that the marriage is over, that his wife had the audacity to raise her hand on him, that if we know what is good for her, we should come and carry her out of his house before he returned from the hospital. After my mom ended the call, we used like 3 minutes to laugh because we were so satisfied that he has finally met his man. My mother did not go to the hospital to see him. I did not go. In fact, my father said nobody should go to that hospital to see him. Let him face his marriage. So my father now called the wife to not look as if we didn't care. So he called her to come to the house. So what happened? She explained herself that my brother hit her before. She ignored it. This time around, she's not going to do that. My father told her that, my sister, you have done well. The next time he do it, make sure you teach him another lesson because he has done it to his previous wife. So she was not happy. She was not sad. She was just surprised at the reaction she got from us. Like we supported her. So she said, are we coming to the hospital? We said, we are not coming. Go and take care of your husband. She was still the one that nursed him. She was cooking for him there. When they discharged him, they went home together. From that day till now, I have not heard that he raised his hand on his wife again. You left my friend that is a soft girl. You were raising your hand on her and she was crying. You now went to go and marry a woman that was farming all her life. She has used all the farming energy to finish my brother. We are so proud and happy that my brother has finally met his man.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.